Hello and welcome all. My name is Siddharth Kumar and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you that how you can automate your Google Chrome with the help of Python script. The work is very easy. First of all, you need to go to your favorite IDE. I am here in Visual Code and just have to import web browser. It is already present, so you need not to install it. Means you need not to go to command prompt and type it install web browser because it is already installed and pre-built thing. So after that you have to make a variable URL and you just have to give the URL. So here if you want to use YouTube, so for that you can directly copy this link and I will just exit it and will give this link, and after giving this link you simply have to write web browser dot open. So it will open the web browser and will pass the URL so that it will open the browser and will open URL. Now everything is done. Now let us execute this. So you can see that it has redirected us. And now if we will just go here and will copy these line of code here. I will skip this ad.
Hello world, it's Siraj, and today we're going to learn how to prepare a dataset before feeding it into a machine learning model. Our example code will predict if someone is...
So now if we will just remove this and we'll put it here, and now if we will again execute it, then you can see that it will open that particular
Hello
thing.
world, it's Siraj, and today we're going to learn how to prepare a data...
So you can see that it has opened us the same link that we have used. So isn't it interesting? This is not the only thing that we can do with this library, that is web browser. As I can tell you that there are lot of methods. Just see here, these are the lot of methods that you can use. You can open a new tab, you can use get request, you can use Unix browser, you can use Mozilla, you can use Chrome browser, Chromium browser, etc. So there are a lot of methods. So I will suggest you to please go through these methods, explore these and have a fun. So this is all in this video. Thank you.